We're going to leave just Instagram. I would keep the Instagram Explore page in the feed, but it's your choice whether you want to keep Instagram stories. I never watch the ads for Instagram stories. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I bypass it every single time. I've bought things on Instagram and it's never been through Instagram stories. It's always been through the feed. So I would uncheck this. But if you want to keep that there, you can. But in my experience, I don't really buy from there. So I'm going to uncheck that. Going to scroll down. When you scroll down to when you get charged, you can either choose to get charged by impression or link click. I prefer to get charged every time someone click my link because if you leave it on impression, you'll get charged every time someone looks at your ad. No other action but to view your ad. But for me, I like action, so I would rather be charged when someone creates an action towards my ad, which click on link click and then press continue. Okay, we're going to go with our ad name. We're going to put the name of the title of the song. I'm going to pick my Alright, here we go. Pages. And for identity, you're going to choose your Instagram account. Scroll down. For ad format, it's totally up to you. I like to use either carousel or video because if you use video, you can track how much of the video that the person viewed or listened to, and then you could retarget them later if you want. And if you want to learn how to do that, that's in the advanced marketing strategy course at www.advancedmarketingstrategy.com. I like to use carousel because it just gives more options. We're going to choose video, or you can choose single image. It's up to you. We're going to add a video. Add this. So let's say this is a snippet of your music video that you added. All right. Be careful of the length of the video. As you can see, it says recommended 15 seconds or less. So this is a snippet, like the best snippet of your video. And scroll down. As you can see, this is an intro that I made for my show, No Games. So, but put your video, a snippet of your music video on here, or anything you like, or your intro. It's up to you. All right, for the text, we're going to pick download. This is the call to action. Make sure you have a call to action in your ad. Now we're going to put the link of your song. So let's say my song is iTunes.com/music. Make sure your website link works because you don't want to spend all this money on your ad and then when they click on the link, it doesn't direct them to your song. It directs them to a blank page. So make sure your URL works. Okay? But let's say you want only display iTunes.com. So this is the real URL. For the call to action, I'm going to click on download. Well, let's say it's a link to the full video on your website. You can click on watch more. If you have a Facebook pixel, you'll choose this. All right. To learn how to create a Facebook pixel, as you can see, I already have a demo already set up. Go to www.advancedmarketingstrategy.com. All right. And after that, you're going to press confirm. This is the end of the video to how to sell your music using Instagram ads.